समझा क्या?
नाम पता चल गया है ना, वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन बोलने का। क्या वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन,
ये जंगी जंगी
खुले घूमे शीर फाट ऐसी बातें, बिना रुकावटें आसमान छूते रास्ते। वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन नाम से हमें जानते, वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन नाम से हमें जानते।
Hello, we are Wild Wild Women
and this is how we do it. खुले घूमे शीर फाट ऐसी बातें, बिना रुकावटें आसमान छूते रास्ते। वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन नाम से हमें जानते, वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन नाम से हमें जानते। खुले घूमे शीर फाट ऐसी बातें, बिना रुकावटें आसमान छूते रास्ते। वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन नाम से हमें जानते, वाइल्ड वाइल्ड वुमेन नाम से हमें जानते। Yo!
You want to tell? No, you Chalu man. Come on, man.
So basically, after like all of this getting fried in this whole boy hip hop scene, we were like doing rap in different corners of the city. We were like, fuck this shit. We want to get together and do something crazy. And like you see, individually, we are some crazy people. When we come together, that craziness converts into being wild. And that's why it is Wild Wild Women. And of course, then you need something wild. A track is extremely wild for us. A women track is the wildest thing that we can do. So we came up with this title track called Wild Wild Women. It's a multilingual crew. We have rapped in 5 different languages and flowing from different states in India. We represent this community of women. We try to make this platform bigger to include more and more women together. So this song is about that. It's about women, just like rapping it, I think.
Yeah, if you go by the words, it's khule gume cheer faad aisi baatein. Like we're just so free. We're out there shouting, yelling our lungs out, enjoying ourselves. Bina rukawate aasmaan chute raaste is without any bounds or anything. It's a limitless way to the sky that we're trying to reach. Wild Wild Women naam se hame jante. Jungly Jungly is just who our Wild Wild is in Hindi. And the song is in English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil and Kannada. That's why.
लाती हूँ नए सिलसिले, अब सहना तो भी क्यों सहे, रहे हम अब गीतों में तो इंडस्ट्री भी खिलखिले, सोचा था ये सपनों में अब परंपरा से चाल चले. So this basically means that every time we are coming with a new song, us as Wild Wild Women are coming with a new song. Every time we are bringing in new stories, and now that we are in the scene, since the scene being so less with women, we as women in the scene are blooming the whole scene. Because people want to see variety, and women especially want to see women doing music and on screens rather than just boys on the screen. So I have this feeling that we bring in like a lot of blossoms and colors in music. And now that we are here, we are running a legacy and taking this forward. That is what the last sentence in my verse means.
आओ घुल मिले संगीत सफ़र रंगीला, गहराई से खोजते हिप हॉप की सीढ़ियाँ. यानी कि let us all come together and in this journey let us all explore new sides of hip hop. जैसे कल्चर ग्रो हो रहा है अभी, मतलब बहुत टाइम से बहुत लोगों ने कोशिश करने के बाद अब जाके इतना वेव दिख रहा है हिप हॉप का. तो जो भी हेट है वो हेट को छोड़ के सब एक साथ आएंगे और जो भी इन एंड आउट सराउंडिंग में अपने को लगता है कि दिस हैज़ टू बी नोटेड, ये एक पॉइंट होना चाहिए, ये मुझे मेरे गाने के थ्रू बताना है, तो ऐसे वो एक मैसेज क्रिएट करता है, तो वो मैसेज लेके चलना है. फिर आओ घुल मिले संगीत सफ़र रंगीला, गहराई से खोजते हिप हॉप की सीढ़ियाँ, सोचते घूरने से पहले तोड़ दी बेड़ियाँ. यानी कि जो भी लोग पहले ऐसे नज़र में नहीं रखते थे या ऐसे फालतू में ऐसे चल कौन है तू ऐसे करते थे या बेसिकली गिनती नहीं रखते थे, उन लोगों को भी वैसे मतलब चेंज होते हुए देखा है. तो वो सारी चीज़ें, बहुत सारे बदलाव हुए हैं. तो वो है आओ घुल मिले संगीत सफ़र रंगीला, गहराई से खोजते हिप हॉप की सीढ़ियाँ, सोचते घूरने से पहले तोड़ दी बेड़ियाँ. वी हैव ब्रोक द बैरियर्स जो भी थे हमारे, हम और कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो इक्वालिटी मेंटेन रहे वैसे. और जो भी दिया प्यार से लिया, नहीं फ़र्क किसी में किया. यानी कि लाइन सेज इट ऑल, फ़र्क कभी किसी में करना भी नहीं चाहिए और उसी से मतलब इक्वालिटी मेंटेन हो सकती है। अगर हम फ़र्क ना करें, अगर सब इक्वल हो तो सब कुछ इक्वल रहेगा।
लिहिता लिहिता कधी कसे कसं काय जपता जपता पोचलो कसं माहिती नाही, सगळं आपलं रावस आहे, आता लाज बिलकुल वाटत नाही, बेभान बघू स्वप्ने अख्खं जग दिसतं छोटं, आता उंच माझा झोका हाय. This means like the whole journey of Wild Wild Woman. लिखते लिखते मैं कैसे इस मुकाम में पहुंच गई मुझे कुछ like I had no idea. Like it's been 3 years, but everything has gone so fast and we've reached so many great points in life in our career that at one point I'm just standing and I'm realizing कि डूड इतना सब हो गया है इतने टाइम पे कि कुछ पता नहीं चला. मैं खुद को इतना बचा के यहाँ तक पहुँच गई हूँ लिखते लिखते. कुछ भी पता नहीं है, बस अभी इतना पता है कि सब मस्त है. एवरीथिंग इज़ लाइक रावस राइट नाउ. So now there is no stopping, and now we are not ashamed anymore. There is no shame. Everything that I want to do is with all of my will and capacity, and now I'm swinging so high. मेरा झूला इतना जोर से स्विंग हो रहा है कि मैं ऊपर पहुंच गई हूँ और अभी मैं दुनिया को छोटा देख रही हूँ और बस मेरा झूला झूलते जाने वाला है अभी. लाइक देयर इज़ नो स्टॉपिंग टू दिस.
उठाई कलम नहीं रुकते अब, लिखते जाना सच जो भी दिखे अब हो रहा गलत, सबक देती ज़िंदगी चाहती का बहुत कुछ, आके पहल कर उठा कदम सच के ओर. तो जो भी हम बोलते हैं जो भी हम करते हैं उसमें सच्चाई होना चाहिए. इट नीड्स टू बी 100% थ्रू प्योर. तो वो इमोशंस के साथ ही हर चीज़ करना चाहिए तो हम सफल हो जाएंगे लाइफ में. तो और हमारे साथ साथ बाकियों का भी, मतलब हमारा अगर अच्छा होगा तो बाकियों का भी अच्छा ही होगा वैसे. सो ऑलवेज बी प्योर थ्रू पीस.
I was forged with the might of a warrior, breaker of barriers, every breath stormier. The wild woman archetype channeled through me, the universe raised and shaped a path in which I'm blooming. So the first two lines about me being forged with the might of a warrior is being birthed by a very strong and powerful woman, which was my mother, and she has kind of set the course and the path of my life. Breaker of barriers, every breath stormier. I'm typically one of those friendly neighborhood culture shocks. So every time someone thought that something is an Indian preset, there was me coming and breaking those stereotypes that people have generally about that and about women. So breaker of barriers, every breath stormier means I'm like furiously just going about and doing things because they need to be done. The wild woman archetype channeled through me, the universe raised and shaped a path in which I'm blooming. An archetype is like a psychology में एक archetype का मतलब है एक typical chain of traits that get inherited from you over many years and centuries. Like basically हमारे ancestors से जो चीज़ें आए हैं down, very instinctive things that you do, or the flowing of your actually the wild woman part is what I talk about next. That's a basic example of an archetype, is like what today we call a stereotype, but in a more generational and ancestral sense. The wild woman archetype is specifically a type of woman who has spent a lot of time and has allowed spontaneity, creativity, and just the blooming of life and the blooming of the connection that we have with nature. So even though it sounds like it's just a line that kind of passes in the song, the wild woman archetype channeled through me is me embodying generational and ancestral power of strong feminine energy and bringing that to the world and out here through my music. The universe raised and shaped a path in which I'm blooming is about, obviously that's like a very obvious line about how the path that's drawn from my life is through what the universe has presented for me. Then there's a singing part after that, which is I made a name for myself, I healed through the pain, lived through the shame, and now I dwell where I'm at peace and my mind is swell. The divine feminine manifests itself. So yeah, I have not come through any nepotism kind of means. I've not got chances because I fucked around with people or just laid my ass wherever it needed to be. I've completely done it out of hard work and persistence and just continuously working really hard all the time. So I made a name for myself. All of the shame that people have made me feel over time and the ages has just been like a passing thing. I got over all of that shame myself, and here I am today where I'm at peace with myself. My mind is in a great state and a place which it wasn't earlier. And this is just how the energy of the divine feminine works, and being able to create, being able to reproduce, being able to do so much. That is something we as women are so good at and so strong at. So this is our time where we've collectively come together, even as Wild Wild Women. This verse fitted this song the most because this is where it is. Like, in collective energy of women together, we can do some insane things. And people just need to know that. I hope we can do that for people. We can explain that to people. We can help people come out of their shells. And that's what we want to do for women and anyone who feels like they're cornered or they're a minority. You're fucking beautiful.
So my verse I've wrote in Tamil, and this is how it goes. Dandike padum ella pavaminge, unnoda vetri nanban kudukara sabaminge. That means all the sinners would be punished. The sinners who suppress women, and unnoda vetri nanban kudukara sabaminge. That means this is your success. Like your family, everybody is happy. But the ones who are closer to you are the only ones who are cursing you. So that you don't reach that level. A varivid varo par very yoda. Pudu pudiya style is a atam kala yoda. That means right now the women have come here and we have already flipped the game. We have come up with a lot of rhythm, flow and music and different kind of wildness and style.
ಕಣ್ಣಾಗೆ ಚೂಪು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮನಸ್ಸನಗೆ ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅನುಗ್ರಹ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಕೃತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ ಕಣ್ಣಾಗೆ ಚೂಪು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ eye has a sharp vision ಮನಸ್ಸನಗೆ ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ even if we have that stark very sharp vision, there's a lot of love in the heart. Anugrahe hage akriti, which is we have a very graceful visual we bring in front of you. So just summarizing that, we have a sharp vision but love in our heart and a graceful presence. So I still work hard regardless of what the world says to me. There are like 10,000 things everyone has to say, and they're like, don't make a crew, you are in a hurry, why do you want all the women to come together, and like, this is all bullshit, stop this, you are just contaminating the hip hop scene. So whatever they say, it doesn't matter, we're still going to work hard. Hutti kodteni togoteni samajadinda buddhi akashnaga harakhateni is basically my birth in this society, is an exchange of a lot of information, about a lot of knowledge. तो ऐसा सीन है कि सिर्फ पैदा होके जीने का नहीं है और सिर्फ लेने का नहीं है selfishly, the point of me being an artist is that I can take but as well as give 10 times more. So I take a lot of knowledge from the society, I learn a lot and then give out a lot as well. So my purpose of living is that I give and take, and this exchange is something that I want to share. That's what my crew also does. To let me do it, my crew helps me to do this exchange in the world. And now I'm just flying in the air and looking at this exchange. It's a beautiful process. Ida crew shastava nirbhita ninne patriarchy dinda. Especially for this line, there's something really that went through my brain while I was writing this song, that I had this brother called Dharmesh Parmar, also known as Toadford. He and his crew have always set an example for me, and his music even lives after he is not in this world with us. So this was a very good example that I wanted to have in my lyric, that even if I am not there or even if this crew doesn't exist, the songs are going to live more than we live, and this is eternal. This whole journey is eternal, and keeping that in mind, it was that the crew shastava, this crew is eternal. Bare matilla, there's no other conversation. I mean, this is it. This is the mic drop moment, and now patriarchy cannot suppress us anymore. That's the last line, which is we are fearless about all these patriarchal stereotypes that you have to give me and the crew. So end this shit, we are in it.
DRJ beat illa irukudhu samma weight kashtangal irundalo nambi paarunoda route. So basically, being like, I'm a part of a girl gang crew, so it does not mean like I would be only doing girls. Like men's, they should be seen too, because they also work hard and they help us too. So my friend DRJ, who has produced the beat, because of him only we were able to make this track. So I've given shout out to my friend DRJ Sohail, and ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಇರಂದಾಲೋ ನಂಬಿ ಪಾರುನೋಡ ರೂಟೆ ಊರೇ ಆದರೂ ಇಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರ ಕೇಟೆ. That means ಕಷ್ಟಗಳು ಇರಂದಾಲೋ ನಂಬಿ ಪಾರುನೋಡ ರೂಟೆ. That means like you have started this journey because you had a reason behind it. So whatever happens, whatever like difficulties come, you just need to like face it and move forward, because there's a reason you have started this journey. And yeah, ure adro ippo nama pere kete, that means अभी अपने सब गाँव वाले लोग जान चुके हैं क्या है भाई, आ चुके हैं लड़की लोग फील्ड में, and like yeah, everybody knows us and wild women, and this is how we do it.
खुले घूमे चीर फाड़ ऐसी बातें बिना रुकावटें आसमान छूते रास्ते वाइल्ड वुमेन नाम से हमें जानते